Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix Canon Pixma G2020 printer error 1300 or 5300 error. uh, Press power button. Okay, now printer is powering on. Now check on screen error shown here 5300. Now I am going to show you how to fix this error. Okay, now after this press power button for power off printer. Okay, press power button. And okay, after this open cover. Okay, now check inside printer any paper stuck anywhere. Okay, there is no paper. Check the other side, slide carriage unit to right to left side. Okay, now check here any paper are stuck in this printer. There is no paper here. Okay, after this do another thing. There is a paper delivery and paper pickup sensor. Check this sensor. This sensor is stuck. Now carefully release this sensor. Okay, be careful, this sensor is sensitive. Okay, release this sensor carefully. After this close cover and press power button for power on printer. Now printer is powering on. Now check on screen, Canon shown. Okay, this printer is brightness is very low. Check this. Okay, printer is warming, please wait. Now check on screen, printer is now ready to print. Okay, now press black button to take any print or xerox and press black. Now see, print is come. Okay, problem is fixed. Thank you for watching me.